Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something truly special to talk about: the Tress Wellness Waxing Kit for Brazilian wax. If you've been searching for the best waxing kit, you're in for a treat. This Tress Wellness Waxing Kit is making waves, and it's not just us saying that. It's the #1 bestseller in hair waxing kits, and for good reason. Let's dive right into why this kit stands out from the rest. First off, what sets this kit apart is its versatility. Whether you're a waxing pro or a beginner, it's got you covered. The kit includes everything you need for waxing: a hard wax warmer with a digital display, 5 wax bean bags, 20 large and 10 small waxing sticks, 1 pre-wax spray, 1 after-wax spray, 5 protective rings, and a "Wax Like a Pro" guide. It's an all-in-one package that saves you money and provides the most effective home waxing experience. The hard wax warmer with a digital display ensures precise temperature control, making it super easy to get the wax to the perfect consistency. It's a game changer, especially if you have sensitive skin. Now, here's the cherry on top: Tress Wellness takes your skin seriously. Their specially formulated hard waxes are dermatologically tested and certified, so you can use them with confidence, no matter your skin type. Plus, these waxes melt quickly and have a smoother application. And speaking of ease, this kit is a breeze to use. It includes a pre-wax spray and an after-wax spray to prep and soothe your skin. If you're new to waxing, the "Wax Like a Pro" guide has valuable tips from practicing estheticians. You'll be a pro in no time. Now, let's talk about the price. You'll find a range of pricing options to choose from, so you can pick the one that suits your needs best. And remember, it's a Prime exclusive deal, so Amazon Prime members get extra savings. But don't just take our word for it. With over 31,000 ratings and an average of 4.3 stars, customers are loving this kit. Many have praised its effectiveness, especially for sensitive areas like the bikini line. So, there you have it, the Tress Wellness Waxing Kit for Brazilian wax, the best waxing kit on the market. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a waxing newbie, this kit has it all. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. If you want to experience the convenience and effectiveness of the Tress Wellness Waxing Kit for yourself, click the link in the description to get yours today. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of top-notch products. Thanks for watching, and happy waxing!